Shake for me about this fish tank. Yeah, look how big it is. I could buy it from a guy on Facebook for $20. It came with filters and everything. I'm gonna go to PetSmart to buy some stuff for it. Yeah. The plants at PetSmart are too expensive, so I'm probably just gonna buy some online. But I'm gonna try to buy some sand or gravel or something, so I can rent this out for other fish. Yeah. You, look over there. Somebody left their fish here. Let's go get it. Yeah. You, good night, guys. Yeah. You, I think I'm in the back rooms. You, I'm in the back rooms. I think I gotta go. You, there's only one more bird. You. Yeah. You, yeah, frozen section. Puppy cup, yeah. Doggy day camp, yeah. You, look, I see fish, yeah. You, look at the fish. Oh, the thing's empty, yeah. Lights are off. Smiley fish. You, look. Look at that one. You, I'm gonna get 3, yeah.
Don't fence me in, let me be by myself in the evening breeze and listen to the murmur of the cottonwood trees. Send me off forever, but I ask you please, don't
let me straddle my old saddle underneath the western sky. On my cayuse, let me wander over yonder till I see the mountains rise.
I want to ride to the ridge where the west commences and gaze at the moon till I lose my senses and I can't look at hobbles.